everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In my previous session, I demonstrated how you can write an nested if-else statement. Now in this tutorial, I'm going to help you understand how we can use inbuilt if-else function to write the same logic in just one line of code. So this logic which has been written in around 6-7 lines of code, we can write the same logic in just one line of code with the help of if-else inbuilt function. So let's see how we can do that. So I'm going to take my result variable where I want to store my output. I will take if-else inbuilt function from the base package. Now in this bracket, I'm going to define the above three condition which we defined earlier. So this condition, right, x greater than 1 and x greater than -1, all this condition that we had defined in our previous session, the same above three condition I'm going to define inside this if-else bracket. If x greater than 1, then I want my output to be this one, right? So I'm just going to copy this one. Now I want to implement the two conditions again. So for that, I need to take one more if-else. And in this if-else, I'm going to add my remaining two conditions. When x is greater than -1, then I want this output. And in the else part, I'm just going to keep this number is less than -1. So this is how, right, the same logic which we mentioned, defined earlier. The same logic can be written in this way with the help of if-else inbuilt function. Now let's see if it is working in the same way or not. We take this rnorm1, move result. So I'm adding this rm result so that, right, the latest output of result will be displayed whenever we run this piece of code. The entire 3 lines of code. So when my x value is 0.24, I can see my result is number is between -1 and 1. When x is 1.19, it says number is greater than 1, right? So the same logic is working as it is the way we write when we wrote the same logic above. It is working in the same way, but in the previous code, right, it is written in around 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It has been written in around 7 or 8 lines of code, right? The same logic if else. Now the same code can be written in just one line of code. If you look at this 17 line, my entire above three conditions are mentioned in this one, right? So that is the beauty of inbuilt if else function. So thanks for watching.